When it comes to replication, especially in disaster recovery scenarios where you need to replicate across cloud regions and availability zones, what options do SIOS customers actually have, and how do you help them choose the right replication strategy for their specific needs?
So first off is understanding the challenges that are at play, especially as you mentioned in disaster recovery scenarios where one system tends to be very geographically separated from the others. While that's good because you have higher protection against larger scale failures, the simple physics of it is that it just incurs performance overhead. It involves delays and such. So from a SIOS standpoint, we have various tunings we can provide to allow remote systems to catch up when available. We have different types of replication, synchronous versus asynchronous, where you can trade some of the performance overhead for a slightly lower protection threshold, which is typically acceptable in a disaster recovery scenario because it's only used as a last resort, typically when none of the other systems are still available. Maybe a whole data center goes down. So those are the things that we provide, and those are the things you should be asking your HA provider about. What options do we have? Usually there's a large amount of tuning parameters that are available to you if you can explore them, and understanding the options that can meet the challenges you have in your environments, depending on just how far apart the systems are, how often you want to use your disaster recovery, maybe as part of drills or as part of maintenance procedures, is very important.